Hello guys, my name is the Tiger and welcome to episode 4 of Kubifaktorium. The last time we focused on the making a copper. So we're gonna set up production to make a copper ingots. So right now we have a copper, this is just raw copper. And this is our ore smelter. And this is where we have to make the copper ingot. So we're gonna store in the same stockpile. So let's look for the copper ingot. We're gonna select that. So we're gonna store copper ore and copper ingot. And the way to set up the production is just like starting from here. Okay, so we need to make a copper ingot. So we need 2 copper and charcoal. So we have a copper, but we don't have a charcoal. So let's move to over here. Kiln makes a charcoal. And the charcoal should go in this one. So let's see. Charcoal. I'm gonna select charcoal, stockpile. Okay, so I'm gonna make a charcoal. It's gonna go to the stockpile. And to make a charcoal we need wooden boards. So let's continue to another basic workplace. So this is the wooden boards. So we're gonna select make wooden boards. And we're gonna do very simple. We're not gonna make separate stockpiles, just gonna point to this stockpile. So this guy is gonna deliver wooden boards to this stockpile. So then that kiln, we're gonna take that wooden boards to the kiln. So they're gonna make a charcoal. Right now, yeah, that was one of the guys he picked up because we have some wooden boards in our main stockpile. But if we're gonna run out of the wooden boards, so we need to pick up the wood. So to make the wooden boards, we need 2 wooden logs. So we have all the wooden logs over here. So just gonna right click to our basic workplace. So he'll know he's gonna take the 2 wooden logs from the main stockpile and drop them over here. And now the charcoal, since we have the charcoal is gonna go to our ore smelter. And also what we have to do, since ore smelter requires also 2 copper, so we have to select this stockpile and pointing to the ore smelter. And then also says no product selected, so we have to select the copper ingots. And you have to point the copper ingots in the same stockpile. And if we have all production set, so on a kind of far away, I could maybe build close to it. The next time it's much smarter idea if you like have making production chain like the copper ingots. So make this all the 3 factors next to each other, so it's easy to trace what's going on. I mean, you can click the arrows, you will see where everything goes. If you click on the stockpile or click on the like that, you can see it. Anyway, so we're gonna make, actually this guy is ready to start making this, so we can take a look. So he's got 2 copper and 1 charcoal. The graphics it's basic graphics, but animation, everything is so cool. Look at this, our first copper ingot. We need just 3 more, so we don't need a lot. But they will keep doing this until the stockpile is going to be full. So maybe I should just decrease my stockpile, make it smaller, because we don't need bigger. Let's do, yeah, this should be enough. Alright, now we have to also construct metal workshop. So we're gonna construct, since probably will be a good idea next to the copper ingots. So let's go construct. And the workshops, this is the workshops, basic, no copper. Yes, there is a metal workshop. Let's place the metal workshop over here. And also we have to construct some blocks and blocks, stone block, I believe that's what they ask us to do. And we have to also construct horse stations, 2 horse stations, so probably we're gonna transport some items from one place to another. Alright, so this one is constructing. Also, I set up the farms in the last episode. That's we have like, I believe I have all the farms required, and we need dates. I believe I did have it. This is the, no, this is date 3, yeah. But I never, oh maybe I did. Yeah, the arrow pointing over there, so I should have, why they just taking the wood? There's no date, so it's interesting. Let's see, so our metal workshop is done. We need just one more copper ingot, we have 3 already. And we have to construction block. I don't know exactly what I mean block. Solid shape makes both solid and coefficient. Construct, oh, that's special block. I believe that metal workshop can make a block. And here you go, and that's where we need the copper ingots. We need the stone blocks and copper ingots. So let's make the stockpile, which we're gonna store construction block. So we just go over here, type construction block, select, point to the stockpile. So in order to make the construction block we need copper ingots. So of course we have the copper ingots over here. So let's select this stockpile and right click on metal workshop. So we have a copper and then stone, and I believe stone is, yeah, I do have a stone over here. So I'm just gonna select that main stockpile and point to like that. And of course I have to select the product, which is gonna be the construction block, and they're gonna construct. So with that, just add one more piece to our chain production. Now we're making construction block. And as you know, in order to make the construction block you need copper ingots. Then in order to make the copper ingots you need charcoal, and so on and so on, you know. So we need just only 4 construction blocks. So maybe I did kind of, again, too big stockpile because we don't need a lot. And also let's construct the horse station. And we need 2 of them. So this is workshops. Miscellaneous. I don't know, where's the workstation? This is the mining. Oh, that's the logistics, yeah. Because it's involved transportation, so shipping port. Yep, there's a horse station. It's 2x2 and 3x3. Alright, so we're gonna choose 2x2. I don't know exactly what we're gonna transport, but you know what? Let's put the one horse station over here. And another one, since we are far away from our stockpile, we're gonna place another horse station right in the middle. That's easy to set up the transportation. Then later on we can have trains, we have airships. I believe the airships is good because you don't have to like build the tracks, but the trains look so cool too. Alright, so this making horse station. So we just have to do extra 2 construction block and 1 extra horse station. And look at that! Our first horse with the empty cart. Transporting the air. Precious precious material. Precious cargo, I should say. Air. And he's just going back and forth. Okay, never mind. And this guy is making stone blocks. Look, this looks like a concrete construction block. Yeah, this looks like a concrete blocks. High-tech building material. Right, dude, yeah, start constructing this. Oh, we have 2 dates. Oh, what happened? I had 2 and then... Are they eating? I don't know what's going on. It seems like every time I got the dates, for some reason they just disappear. I have to watch what's happened to them. I have no idea. Okay, my dates are ready, so they're just chopping the trees. And I want to see what happened to my dates. Are they eating that stuff or what? See, I have 1 date. Ah, he ate that. Oh. So they just, once they, I guess they don't have enough food and they're eating that stuff. Alright, so seems like they're so hungry, and this is only one type of food, so once they collect it, they eat right away. So we have to build the food. So we're gonna make a bakery over here. Because otherwise they very unhappy, and they thirsty, they homeless, they hungry. So also we need, except food, we need also water supply. So which is this is the water. So we're gonna make a water. Let's place over here. We're gonna make a stockpile. Same for the food. Gonna make a stockpile. And I don't need to mine it with stone yet. And we also should build some houses for them too. Housing. Let's do just the basic houses. And just gonna build, yep, doesn't matter, just gotta place a bunch of them. And I guess that's what they need. This way we're gonna prevent from them to eating dates once they have different type of food, because this required for quest, so they cannot eat that, and there's no way to select that, to not eat that food. And we have plenty of wheat. Oh yeah, we have lots of wheat, because it's our farm with the wheat. Perfect. It's a little bit farther away from that, but that's fine, from the bakery. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Alright, we're gonna make a maize. We have a maize too. We have a wheat and maize, so let's do simple. We could do bread. Yeah, let's do the bread. I'm gonna make a bread, and I'm gonna point over here, and that's gonna be, okay, this bread is already selected, good. And also we need the water, point over here. So they're gonna grab the water, and bread required water. So I'm gonna place this stockpile, right click on this, and required also maize. And maize is, if I'm not mistaken, this is the maize. Yeah, so I'm gonna select the stockpile and right click to bakery. Okay, so now they're gonna make a bread. Awesome. I do have some wheat over here, so what's the... Actually, this is the wheat. Oh yeah, wait, this is not the maize, this is the wheat. Alright. So I'm just gonna leave this for now. Oh, our first house is done. Kind of not the proper way of placing the house, because the doors like, and actually cannot rotate that, but we can upgrade the house. Look at this, make it more fancy. But we're just gonna leave it like that. They should be happy, I believe. Yeah, we have one neutral, 25 unhappy. Alright. So once the bread's gonna show up over here, they're gonna eat right away. And also they're gonna drink the water, see? So it's gonna take a while until we have our own dates, because they need food, they have to eat and drink, and then they should leave our dates alone, and they're not gonna eat that. Alright. So we had enough of food, so that means they was able to make the dates. And now we have another quest. We have to make bread, plum, strawberry pie. So basically we need the bakery, which we already did the bakery, but it's just we need to store that stuff. So we have to make strawberry pies. We need 4 of them, plum tart, and bread and baguette. So we can select all of the items, and they're gonna be stored in this stockpile. And now we're already doing the bread, so there's no problem with that, but we need baguette, which we need the wheat. So all what we have to do, just get this stockpile with the wheat, left click on the stockpile with the wheat and right click on our bakery, and the production is all set, so they're gonna produce that too. And we need now plum, which we need plums and strawberries and milk. So the plums, I know the plums, where we can find the plums. This is the cacao beans. So let's see, food. I guess the farm. Let's see, we're gonna select the farm. Okay, so that's the strawberry. Alright, so we're gonna do strawberry plant. And plum. Flower, no. So we're gonna make a stockpile. And it's gonna just, oh, sorry. Point this to over here. So the strawberry, then strawberry is gonna go to bakery. Because we need strawberries, we need also wheat, which already have the wheat selected, and we need the milk. So to have a milk we need the cows, and I believe there's a cows on the map. Let's make a pasture. I like to be going like this, and we're gonna select cow. And we need also stockpile. Small one, and this is gonna be for the milk, so I'll select milk, and this pasture is gonna go right to the, from the pasture the stuff is gonna go to the stockpile, and then the stockpile go to bakery. Now they just have to find the cows, and of course to make this pasture nice and neat I have to cut this unwanted trees. So these guys, they're gonna cut the trees or mine the rocks if you're constructing like buildings or factories, they will do it. But if you create the field or pasture, they're not gonna cut this, they're just gonna build the fences around this. So let's once they're gonna cut everything, we can make a nice and neat. Oh, we got a bunch of cows. Oh, by the way, you can, when you select the pasture, it's gonna tell you how many was the capacity. It's 10, maximum 10 cows we can store. So we have 8 right now, so there should be plenty of cows. Alright, let's make, oop, what I did, oh actually I did the wrong, this is what was not intended. I should select the pasture and make a pasture, yes, like this, perfect. It's so cool. Okay, so we have a milk, we have that, and this everything's gonna go over here. Also, that's the food, and to drink, time for the drink, we need to construct the brewery, and we have to do the beer, chocolate milk, and tea. So brewery, we're gonna put close to the houses. Let's see, workshop, yep, kiln, no, this is the mining. Yeah, that's the workshop, so there should be textile, electronics. And this is the logistics. Oh, there's a brewery over here, food and water. So gonna place brewery over there. And maybe I should just mine these racks so they're not on the way. And also I should remove that stuff so I can create the stockpile over here. It's not nice and neat, I know, but we'll do the next when we're gonna move to the next island. We're gonna make nice, we're gonna build the roads, because right now I don't think we can build the roads. Actually, this for the foundation. That's for the pier. I don't see any roads, any logistics. Pool table. Interesting. You know what? I do have how many construction blocks? I have plenty. Okay, so and pool table got only one, and we have a fabric. So let's build the pool table for them. I know it's outside, but that's gonna look awesome. And unfortunately, we are running out of the time. It's always like time goes fast when you have a fun. So next episode we'll continue working on our drink stuff. We're gonna set up the production for the beer, chocolate milk and tea. And I know that still I'm missing plum tart, so probably next episode also gonna do plum tart. Because we already set up strawberry pie, baguette and bread, so we'll just have to do that. But that's gonna be next episode. Thank you for watching, I hope you guys enjoy it, and see you next time. Bye bye, take care.